Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make others instantly like them? Maybe it's a friend who always charming, or that one person who just know how to win over anyone. Well, today we're diving deep into a secret world, dark psychology. It's all about understanding what makes people tick and using that knowledge to your advantage. Now, don't worry, we are not talking about anything evil here. It's just about knowing how to create connections in a way that, let's say, a little more clever than usual. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will be surprised at how easy it can be to get someone to like you. What if I told you that you could influence someone's opinion of you based on the way you stand, speak, and even look at them? Although it seems straightforward, there is a lot of psychology involved. We're going to dissect some incredibly useful advice that will help you win over people. You may even begin to notice yourself being the target of these scams. Let's start by discussing a concept known as mirroring. Have you ever noticed that when you spend a lot of time with someone, you begin to behave a bit like them? That is not a coincidence, though it's human nature to prefer those who are similar to them. You gently cross your arms when someone crosses theirs. If their tone is cool, you should equal their vigor. It seems as though you're letting them know that you're on the same team, and believe me, people adore having a sense of belonging. The catch is that mirroring someone involves more than just mimicking their body language. Additionally, you should mirror their feelings. If they appear excited, convey their enthusiasm as well. If they seem contemplative, take a moment to calm down and convey that emotion. It's as if unseen to them, you have become their emotional mirror. Now, this one may seem overly simple, but it has a lot of listening power. True listening to someone, not simply hearing them. Consider this: we feel significant when someone listens to us. We feel appreciated and heard. You want the other person to feel just that way. Pose them a question and listen carefully when they speak. Simple smile, nod, and convey your concern. Here's a secret. Talking about oneself causes a hormone to be released from person's brain. You are thereby promoting their well-being by allowing them to share. And what do you know? People are more inclined to like you when they feel comfortable around you. Observe how that function. Alright, let's get to the compliments, but not just any praises, the kind that truly resonate. It is wonderful to tell someone they look good, but is it a little simple, don't you think? What if you observe a person's quality in them, such as their uncanny ability to know the appropriate thing to say in tense circumstances, or how their laughter put everyone in their vicinity at ease? The secret is to compliment them on who they are rather than just how they look. Making a meaningful point makes your communication seem more sincere and others are drawn to you. Let's now discuss the scarcity principle, which is a bit more arcane. Individuals frequently have an inclination towards pursuing things that seem unattainable or unattainable. People may start to take advantage of you if you're too accessible. However, maintaining a small amount of distance makes you seem more interesting. It resembles a push and pull game. Be amicable, but don't go overboard. Permit them to speculate briefly about your thoughts. They get curious as a result. That interest may increase their desire to be near you. One more important one: confident, but not the ostentatious, boisterous kind. The calm type that results from being at ease with oneself. People will sense your positive energy when it is present. It is not necessary to brag or act ostentatious. Simple of faith in your identity. People are drawn to people who appear content and secure by nature. They seem to want to participate in whatever activity you are involved in. Recall that confidence does not equate to perfection. It is acceptable to display some vulnerability as well. That may even help to humanize you even more. Building trust and confidence is about being authentic and true to yourself. So what should we really learn from all of this? It is not necessary to be dishonest or pretend to be someone you are not in order to win someone over. It all comes down to knowing how people think and applying that insight to build sincere relationship. These small gestures, which range from copying body language to paying close attention to praises, can have a significant impact. Now, put this suggestion to use the next time you meet someone new and watch how things work out. You may be shocked to learn how simple it is to use the dark psychology secret to forge greater bond with someone. Who knows? You may discover that you are turning into the kind of person that people enjoy being around. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you heard today, don't forget to like, subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating world of human behavior. Watch the next recommended video.